Olive Union is changing the way people think about hearing aids. In this video, we will show you how to install the MyOlive app, which will help you maximize the functionality of your Olive Air. The MyOlive app is essential for fine-tuning and customizing your Olive Air hearing aids. To install the MyOlive app, iPhone users should open the App Store, and Android users should open the Google Play Store. Then, search for MyOlive in the search bar. Download the MyOlive app, which has a white icon. Once you've downloaded the app, you're all set to connect your Olive Air to the MyOlive app. We've just covered how to install the MyOlive app to maximize the functionality of your Olive Air. In the next video, we'll guide you on how to connect your Olive Air to the MyOlive app. Please note that the connection process differs slightly for iPhone and Android users, so make sure to watch the video that matches your smartphone. For product inquiries or support, please contact the Olive customer support.